The Asus Attal SP103 is a newly released budget-friendly portable Bluetooth speaker launched in China under the company's ADLE branding, retailing on JD.com for 239 yuan, which converts to approximately $35. Built for mobility, the unit measures 180 by 180 by 49 millimeters, weighs 575 grams, and is available in 3 pastel colorways: iris purple, rose gold pink, and sage green. Structurally, it features a high-density fabric grille on the front panel and a matte metal housing on the back, which includes an integrated, raised anti-slip stand to keep the device stable on flat surfaces. Tactile hardware buttons are located on the speaker for manual control over power, Bluetooth pairing, volume adjustments, and playback. Acoustically, the speaker relies on a 10W dual-speaker configuration equipped with full-frequency magnetic drivers and a racetrack-style diaphragm, covering a wide frequency response range from 50 Hz to 20 kHz to properly reproduce both low and high-frequency audio content. On the connectivity front, the device incorporates modern Bluetooth 6.0 technology, offering a stable wireless transmission range of up to 10 meters. This wireless package supports convenient features such as Bluetooth hands-free calling, true wireless stereo, TWS, pairing to link 2 speakers together, and multi-device linking for broader audio coverage during social events. For physical playback options, the device includes a 3.5mm AUX input to establish a direct wired connection with laptops, desktop computers, or projectors, alongside a built-in TF card slot for playing audio files locally from a memory card. Running the hardware is an internal 2600 mAh lithium battery that delivers up to 10 hours of continuous playback when set to a 70% volume level, though operating the speaker at maximum volume reduces the battery life to about 4 hours. Once depleted, the battery recharges via a standard, universal USB-C port.